Three development blocks under Hauraghat Legislative Assembly held block-level vigilance and monitoring committee meeting to discuss the ways to implement the works falling under the development blocks. The meeting was held at Dogmuka Longkam Teron Auditorium Hall, consisting of three blocks, namely Samilangso, Hauraghat and Rongmangwei Development Block. The meeting was chaired by Hauraghat MLA Dorsing Ronghang, along with him Dipu MLA Bidar Singh Ingling, EM Kangbura Kiling, EM Bilimon Kaklari, MSc Ajit Kumar Das, MSc Kacherong Pipi, CLCC Chairman Samuel Ronghang, and several other BDO, staff of Development Block and members of the Block Level Vigilance and Monitoring Committee also graced the occasion. In the meeting, it was decided to give the utmost importance to implement the various development works assigned under the blocks by the government, and also to put emphasis on the purpose of the Block Level Vigilance and Monitoring Committee to monitor the works of the block.
A block a chairman da Lili, la masi Lili long thom nó ta pini hang pet lo, hang pet si kedam tang la blog a hin pen je tum video tum gram so ko tum hem so ki kim pen dang lo to war ke bui mgn raga ke claim pen som surya kam ke claim lam the puthak bang so isi pen kelang tarip ke jok che ke le do an ta me ke than ka peripon bang so asai deng pon lo.
Samsung Inti report from Dogmuka, Karbi Anglong Live.